रिश्तेदार होने के लिए क्या सिर्फ खून का रिश्ता ही मायने रखते हैं? Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo's Dhamaka. I can easily guess that you have guessed what is our topic today from the title of the video. But please like, share, subscribe my channel, also like it on my Facebook page, Judo's Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka. I have watched the newly released movie on Disney Plus Hotstar, Hum Do Hamare Do, directed by Abhishek Jain. This movie stars Rajkumar Rao, Paresh Rawal, Kriti Sanon, Ratna Pathak Shah. The movie revolves around Dhruv. He's a self-made man. Actually, once upon a time, he used to be a laborer of a dhaba. The dhaba was owned by Purushottam, Urf Paresh Rawal. Then one day, midnight, Dhruv fled. Actually, his name was not Dhruv. His name was Bal Premi. He was a fond of the comic book character Super Commando Dhruv. That's why he named himself Dhruv Shikhar. Now, many years have passed. He is an established entrepreneur. He has his own app, Jadugar, the VR app. And during the launch of that app, he meets the social influencer Ania Mehra, played by Kriti Sanon. And then what happens? Pyar ho gaya, and Kriti has a strange condition. She only wants to marry a family, but there is a lovely father, a doting mother, and also a cute puppy. But Dhruv is an orphan. For that, jhoot pe jhoot, jhoot pe jhoot, jhoot pe jhoot, he ultimately goes to Purushottam and Purushottam's long lost love interest, Deepti Kashyap. They, after many such situations and many such conditions, they agree to play the parents of Dhruv. Now they are presented in front of Kriti's parents, and now what happens? For that, you have to watch the movie. Dhruv didn't want to lose Kriti at any cost. He wanted to marry her because he really loved her and desperately he wanted a family. And he created this lovely play. Dhruv has a friend, Shanti, played by Apar Shakti Khurana. This movie is rated by Abhishek Jain and produced by Dinesh Vijan. The music is by Sachin Jigar. Cinematography is Amalendu Choudhury. The story revolves around Chandigarh, and also we have seen a glimpse or two of Shimla. Deepti has her own story, a widowed woman who lives alone in Shimla. On the other hand, Purushottam is a complete loser. वो अपने धावा को बेचकर चले गए हैं एक ओल्ड एज होम पर, वहीं पर रहते हैं दीप्ति के नजदीक ही. But he never had that courage to face her. The movie, what I liked, the message. You don't have to be a close relative to be a relative. You can befriend anybody. So the matured love story between Paresh Rawal and Ratna Pathak Shah, it was also attractive. What I didn't like, Rajkumar Rao is completely misplaced in this movie. He has definitely tried to act and portray the character of Dhruv as a hero. He didn't suit this character. On the other hand, the story has many loopholes. For example, when Dhruv presents Purushottam as a retired professor, Ania's family, in this age of social networking, they never ask what was Purushottam's subject of teaching. Why did he teach? In this respect, this may remind you of Hrishikesh Mukherjee's Golmaal, where Amol Palekar presented Deena Pathak as his long deceased mother. And now, in this movie, it's not Deena Pathak, it's her daughter, Ratna Pathak Shah. Ratna Pathak Shah, on the other hand, she's a veteran actress, but I don't know why in this movie she has tried to copy her husband, Naseeruddin Shah. From the mannerisms, from the looks, from the eyebrow movements, from the lip movements, from the eye movements, and even the dialogue delivery. Everywhere she has tried to copy Naseeruddin Shah. I don't know why. Kriti Sanon, she's a good actress. She looks good, she can act well. We have seen her in Mimi. I don't know why in this movie she tried to act like Alia Bhatt. She has acted well, but the dialogue delivery, the movement of lips, but the style of acting would somehow remind you of Madhuri Dixit or Deepika Padukone. This movie could have been shortened, much shortened, because in the trailer we saw the whole story, and actually I was waiting to watch this movie because of the presentation. पेशकश कैसे किए गए, पेशकश में कुछ खामी रह गई. And Dinesh Visions, most of the stories, they have a monotonous type of structure. Small town, small love story, parents, father, and all those things. But this time, it didn't work properly. On the other hand, since Dinesh Vision was once upon a time co-producer of Saif Ali Khan's movies, especially the movie, and remember, Love Ajkal, which was directed by Imtiaz Ali. So Imtiaz Ali's treatment is also there in this movie. Love, breakup, fits a love, and all those things. Especially those things will remind you of Imtiaz Ali's treatment. Paresh Rawal as Purushottam, especially in the scenes in the later half of the movie when he was trying to express his love for Dipti, that was watchable. Manu Rishi Chadda played Ania's uncle. पिता भी कह सकते हैं, because Ania is an orphan. Her parents died when she was young, and in this context, the accident, the fire that broke out in Utsav Cinema Hall in New Delhi, that has been mentioned without naming the cinema hall, definitely. Ania's parents died due to that fire in that movie theater. Those parts are good, the message is good, but the execution was not proper. Hope in the next movie, Abhishek Jain, who once upon a time was the assistant of Sanjay Leela Bhansali and who has also directed Gujarati movies, hope in the future he will not commit these mistakes, and still I would say this movie is watchable, at least a one-time watch. So, hum do hamare do dekhkar kaise laga? I have expressed that to you, my opinion to you. What is your opinion? But please like, share, subscribe my channel. Without your support, I can't move forward. I'll be waiting for your response. I'll be back in the next video with a bang, with a dhamaka. Judas Dhamaka. Let's do the dhamaka.